Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. Today I'm going to be unboxing the LootCrate Wizarding World box. This is for July, and I didn't even think I was getting this box. I'm pretty sure I canceled my subscription, and somehow I still got a box, so I'm going to have to double check and make sure I wasn't charged? I'm sure I was, so it was probably just a mess up on their end. I canceled my subscription to LootCrate because I didn't really think the box that I got in May was worth the money. And the way I feel about subscription boxes is every single box you get should be worth the money that you paid for that month, because if it's not, and you just say, oh, well, their last box was great, so I'll let this one slide, then you're just wasting your money. Anyways, let's see if their mistake of sending me an extra box can sway me to keep my subscription going. First of all, I still love this Wizarding World logo on the outside of the box. It's great. The packaging this time, the box is a completely different shape. This is telling me that there's going to be some Fantastic Beasts stuff in here, so let's go ahead and cut this open. Cutting this open is not going to be as satisfying as tearing the tab on Geek Gear, I'm sure. So I'm not going to look, but I will give the camera a little peek inside as I blindly grab some things out of here. There is a box at the top, so I guess that's what I'm getting first. Okay, so seeing this box is actually making me kind of excited as to what else could be in this LootCrate box. It says, warning, hide shiny objects before opening. I have a feeling that there's a Niffler inside this box. If there is a Niffler inside this box, that will almost redeem LootCrate. Unfortunately, I cannot hide all of my shiny objects. I need my lights on and I need my tripods, but let's open this and see what's inside. It is a Niffler piggy bank. I think I really like this. I really do. So thank you, LootCrate. Let's see what else you have to surprise me with. Okay, I've got something else. I'll just pull this out of here. I haven't looked at it yet. It's another Fantastic Beasts themed item right here. It is cookie cutters, a set of 4, Niffler, Eruptment, Swooping Evil, and Bowtruckle. So I can make Fantastic Beasts cookies. Let's just take a closer look at these. Okay, so the cookie cutters are made of plastic. Right here we have the Niffler. So yeah, we've got, right here is the Bowtruckle. These are awesome. The first 2 items are really cool. If the next item, okay, so I think there are 5 items in here. The first 2 so far have been just amazing. I love both of them. So if the next one is also amazing, I think this box is definitely going to win me over to at least go for the next one and see. Because I know it goes against what I said before about how every box has to be worth it, but maybe, I mean, it's okay to have one off month, I guess. See, now I'm completely contradicting myself. Okay, I've got something else. Let's see what it could be. I think it's another pin. I know they were doing Horcruxes at one point, but I think that's over with. So let's see what this pin could possibly be. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's the Sword of Gryffindor straight through the basilisk's head right here. And oh wow, it actually moves. I wonder if that comes out. Oh wow, it does. There we go. All right, so wow, I really like this box. I didn't think I was gonna say this. I went into this with like low expectations because of May's box, but this box so far is really blowing me away. So I'll just reach in and grab something else, okay? It's Hagrid. We have Hedwig right here, sticky notes, and Buckbeak. I believe this one is supposed to be Fang, and then a dragon. And of course, we have Hagrid himself. And I didn't want to rip these. I tried to take it off of his little hut behind him, but it started to rip and I didn't want to rip it, so there you go. All right, so this was also a very cool item. At this point, it's like 4 out of 5. They've already won. So let's just take a look and see what else is in there. All right. What else have we got in here? Okay, yeah. It looks like that's 5 items. No, wait. Okay, so this just told me why there's only 4 items in this box. I knew it wasn't 4. It had to be at least 5 or 6. So what happened was they have had a manufacturing error, and there will not be a t-shirt in this box. It's going to ship separately later, and it says basically they'll just contact the customers and let them know when the shirts have shipped out. This box was doing so well until this happened. All of these items so far have been amazing, so if the shirt itself is actually just as good as everything else that was in this box, it's a win, regardless of their manufacturing error. So let's just take a look and see what it says about the items that were in this box. We have got, it has a picture of the shirt, so I get to look and see the actual shirt, so that helps. It is a creature silhouette t-shirt. If it actually does look this good when it comes, then I will definitely be happy. Oh, okay, and that sticky note was not a dragon, it's a thestral. Oops, it looks like a dragon to me. And apparently that pin was not the Sword of Gryffindor through a basilisk's head, it was actually through Nagini's head, so that was Nagini's Horcrux. But as long as that shirt comes quickly and it looks good, I mean, yeah, Loot Crate won this time. And if you missed the news, I have an item in the July Gobstone Alley box, and it's an exclusive item that I designed for them, just for that box, and those boxes have already sold out. I'm getting one, so I'll be doing an unboxing and review, and you'll see the item that I made. But for the people who missed out on getting the July box, I also have another exclusive item going in their September box. So if you want to get your hands on this exclusive item, you can order the September box. Use the discount code Muggle Magic, all caps, no space, and you'll get 10% off your box. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.